Where are you going?
We're gonna go test this camera out, see how it works. All right, Anna, you ready?
Huh?
You ready? We're gonna go test Daddy's camera.
What?
We're gonna go test Daddy's camera.
Where are we going?
We're gonna do rolling shots.
Rolling shots.
Ready to go?
Yes, sorry.
Hey, Luna. Hey, sweetie. Alani, you need help?
No.
You can do it? Oh, okay. What's going on, everybody? Thank you again for tuning in on the channel. There's a lot going on. It's a lot that's been happening. As the last episode, the trans went in the car. Yay! Awesome, JDM trans. Holy crap, check engine light. P0740 code. Known to pop up when you swap your trans to a JDM trans for the CRV. We'll talk about it. But right now, me and the AW Media family are going to do some rolling shots and test out the Mauve Max razor system. Now, I'm gonna do rolling shots at night. What's wrong, sweetie? Do you need help? We're gonna do some night shots with this new setup with the CRV. I'm not gonna do this by myself, so I'm gonna use Miss AW Media, and we're just gonna have to take the little medias with us.
I think get my thing, my food.
Well, let's see. Right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is what we're gonna be doing. Right now, I have the system here, and I'm just verifying that all controls work. Because this is how I'm going to be able to see what's going on back there, Anna, on the camera. And then Daddy's gonna use this controller and control the camera here. So I have my controller set up. Basically, I'm using the DJI Raven Eye tracking system with the Raven Eye tracking glitch and controller glitch. You basically log into the controller and you log back out and you're able to, oh, you know what, Josie, stop. I have an idea. Stop, go back.
I will.
Yeah, I got an idea. I wonder if this will work out like this. Jerk it with what? You're fine. Drive how you would normally. I think you should be fine.
I hate these things. Hold on, don't move your camera. I'm using it as a backup.
It's not, you're good. No worries. Oh, are you serious?
Yes, I am.
It's actually not a bad idea.
Oh shit, I'm not. I gotta do it this way though.
Yes, because it's not centered. That's actually where you are.
That's the issue.
Yeah, just like right here
Okay, I
for
feel
a
like I'm
second.
gonna hit the card.
I appreciate you, Miss Media. Yo. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Hey, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now, and I know you've been talking about stretching the bike's legs, so I got my camera system set up on the car, like it's an actual full camera system. You want to stretch your bike's legs and do some rolling shots with me for like, I don't know, 15 minutes or whatever. My neighbor, he rides bikes, obviously. He rides on track, off track, and he's a barber in our neighborhood, so hit him up if you need a cut.
So
Appreciate
what you need to take the...
No, you ride. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, this is like the car mounting system. See, and it's got a camera on it. So basically all you do is ride, and you'd be on your bike, cruising, probably right here, somewhere around right here, and I'm just gonna record. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna calibrate it because I need to make sure I got all the micro jitters out. So I'll probably do like 2 or 3 runs, see if we can get it to where there's no vibrations, and then I'll go back, edit the footage, and see how it comes out. I'll make you a pretty decent video too.
Okay.
Cool? All right, cool. All right, cool. That works. How you doing, Papa? Good, good. Hi, how are you?
How are you, man?
Andrew.
Good. Horacio.
Nice to meet you.
Lo que pasa que aquí...
And you got the YFC 450. What's up? Let's go to the track, bro. Come on.
It's not fixed already. That's why.
We gotta hit the track. I have a LTR 450.
No, es de la mía. Es de la mía.
Suzuki Samurai with a 13B on it. Twin turbo? That's awesome. So he looks like he's choosing the CRF 450?
Yeah.
Or 450R, excuse my language.
Yeah, this is worst edition.
Okay.
But the starting clutch is a little bit bad, but we can start it.
Should get the job done, right?
Yeah, just.
Hey, what did my dad say that he was cooking for Christmas?
Was
it roast?
I don't know.
Your dad's at the store and he sees ham. He doesn't know if he should pick it up.
I think he got roast. He got roast and steak and jalapeno popper stuff. Yeah.
So if you want ham, grab it.
All right, so this is what I'm thinking. We're just gonna do some smooth rolling shots. You can communicating with you is gonna be the only problem I'm gonna have. So what I'm thinking is we'll probably do you have gauges? No. Okay. Okay, we can. This means like up a little bit faster. Come up, get closer to the camera. This means back away from the camera, right? Stay there. This means stay there. So get closer, back away, stay there. Remember the camera is there.
Closer, back up, and
Stay there. Right. Remember the camera. Predominantly, I'm gonna be in the left lane. So I'm gonna give you 2 lanes right. No, I need light. We gotta be on the road. The bikes are good on the road, right? All right. So we'll okay. So just stay close. We'll hit Bartow Road. We'll go down. We don't have to speed. We don't have to do nothing crazy. Let's do some nice clean shots. Right, we'll just ride, some clean shots, you two back and forth. But remember the camera's here. So try and stay here, at least here. Let me double check that. At least here. Don't get any closer to here. So that looks about right. I'm gonna check the camera settings again in a second, but yeah, probably you're gonna want to be right about where you're at. All right, don't do too much moving around. Keep it as steady as possible, and then we'll probably do that for about a minute, 2 minutes. We'll go down to racetrack, and then turn around.
Okay.
When we get to the Publix light, right? The Publix light that's closest to us, you can do like a wheelie or something, but don't get too crazy. We don't want to attract any attention. We want to be safe when we're doing this. You know what I'm saying? All right. So keep it probably around right here. And we should be good to go, because if you're there, that's what that shot's gonna look like. You can even be as close as he is, but give me 2 cars. Give me 2 cars, all right? You see it?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so this should be good. I'm excited, right? Bikes for the first calibration shots. Everything Gucci with the system. Remotes are working. Looks good. Up, right, recenter. Good to go. So I got Miss Media and the little medias. CRV's ready to go. Bike's ready to go. Let's get the show on the road. Don't do too much moving around. Keep it steady. So you can do, if you're gonna do more moving around, like if you want to do a wheelie, back up, pop the wheelie, and just know to drop here. Don't drop any closer, because if you drop any closer, I won't get you, okay? So the first thing I see is we're gonna need to adjust the sensitivity for all axes on the controller, just a little bit. But as far as the micro jitters, they're gone. out the box, I did notice that there was some very, very, very serious jitters when I did test on my RS3, as the CRV was still down for the transmission. Yeah, sweetie, probably when we get back to the house.
I already gave her one.
Oh, no, you can't have another lollipop. So now that we have it on the CRV, I think it is? I think it's the suspension. I think that just the suspension difference, because the RS3 suspension is so stiff.
Yeah.
But regardless, I swapped out the bushings that are on the, it has a specific name, that are on the balancer, not the balance, oh my God, it has a specific name. I'm throwing a blank right now. But I took off the shocks, and I replaced the O-rings that are there, because the O-rings are, from what I understand, are way too soft, and they cause vibration issues, and they tend to kind of pop out of their place. So I replaced them with some heavy-duty O-rings from Advanced Auto, and I think that, along with the adjustment of the shocks, definitely that looks really good. That's not moving at all. So sadly, I do have an FX30, which means I'm limited to, when it comes to night, I'm limited, but I'm running the CRV sniper lenses that drop down to an f1.2, watch it, okay, drop down to an f1.2, and that's really doing it for me right now. So, but I'm not running at 1.2, I'm running at 2.8 with ISO at 10,000. I don't really go over 10,000. I don't really shoot night shots like this, but I hope it comes out well. At least my metering with S-Log3, my metering was right at about plus 0.3 to plus 1.3. One of the reasons I am using the Raven Eye tracking system is because the Raven Eye tracking system does have follow. So I can just simply select the target. However, I don't know how it works at night. That looks so good.
Back up on my shit again, hanging out with Benjamin. Franklin got me stanking in the Lincoln, talking dividends. Look at what we did again. Brought the water dipping in. Down in Texas on them elbows, where your digits been.
I'm super overexposed because obviously it's night shots, so we're gonna want to keep that ISO there. So like I was stating before, these, isolators, that's the name of it. It's called isolators. Just double check rigging here. Make sure everything is still good and tight. You always want to double check rigging. Straps look good. This is good in place. I don't see any red, so that's how you know we got a good sign. Should have a bunch of life on the small rig 99, so not too worried about that. I'm gonna leave those settings the same as I stated before. We are gonna be overblown here because we have light. We're shooting an S-Log3 and I don't want to adjust it, so keep it the same as the rest of the footage. It's amazing what a compound and polish can do. I feel like I didn't want to go too far into the hood, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. I feel like I could go a little bit further with compound. I just didn't want to push it too much. I'm not trying, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just, you know what I mean? It's 90s vibes, RD2, CRV. It's clean. Doesn't have to be anything else than this. Look at this. And that's, you know what? I'm okay with that. It's gonna stay there. Ready? All right, so you guys remember, it looks like there's more traffic out than normal. We're gonna try and find some points, but if you try and stay next to me, at least get in the lane next to me. Your distance is perfect, but get in the lane next to me. Your light is bright as hell. If your light shuts off, it changes everything. But you need it, we need it. Keep it on, it's safe. If you're over in the other lane, we should be fine. If you, here, at least here. Here, like in the, not this lane. Yeah, you feel me? Or if you can, if the opportunity comes up, see if you can get into the third lane. Third lane.
Got it.
Yeah, we're gonna head back. We're gonna head back to the house. All right, so this is the final run. This is the run that we spoke about that they could do, you know, get a little crazy, but I kind of hope they don't because it is kind of it's kind of busy out here. So I don't want to. It's about safety, you know. We're trying to have fun, but we're trying to be safe. Hey, let's just keep it clean because there's a lot of cars out tonight, and we want to be safe. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So let's keep it clean. Have your fun. If you get the chance, like, you know, have fun, bike life, but keep it clean. All right, well, that was really cool. Now we're gonna go back in, check that footage. Thank you to the homies for being my test subjects. Let's see how it comes out. Until next time. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.